Hey guys, this is Scott here at What a Mess Railroad, or I should say What a Mess Storm. This is Wednesday, February 15th. This is the result of our storm on Monday, which we had 60 centimeters of snow, which closed the city down for 2 days. I finally got the part of the driveway done. Cora was out last night doing a little bit of it, and some guy with a big tractor came by and took 3/4 of the front of this out, which thank God, or I'd still be there shoveling it. And as you can see, 2 days later, the poor sidewalk guy over there is trying to get through. There's just nowhere to put it. So this is Wednesday. Let's see, last Thursday we got 20 centimeters, Monday we got 60, and there's a storm coming tonight, which they say is, depending where you live, anywhere from 15 centimeters to 30. I don't know where in the hell we're going to put it, but I guess somewhere. And we were doing so well too. I thought we were going to miss winter. Yeah, I knew if we didn't get past February, we had to pass February. Didn't make it. Alright guys, talk to you after. Hey guys, I'm back again. Today I got to mail some stuff from eBay in the mail. It was supposed to be here Monday, but as you can see by the snowstorm, yeah, a little late. Anyway, one of the items I picked up was for the gas station. Some little I guess batteries, service set, whatever the heck a service set is, but and wipers and whatever. Little accessories. Picked up some garbage bins, 3 to a package. And then I picked up some dead grass. And actually this is what started this. I put a bid in on these, which were a really good deal. The rest of it was not a good deal. By the time you paid buddy overcharged for this stuff, and then charges shipping and handling, so you can get away with getting more money for postage. Anyway, it would have cost me almost the same for retail, but just didn't impress me. Also, a few of my items came in from China. Actually, I should probably put some light here, maybe you can see it better. Oh, probably should have adjusted that a bit. Got these little circuit boards. Here, I'll take one out of the package. This is a, can you see it well? A power converter, step down board, power board. So it takes, I think it's 24 volts max in, 25 volts, something like that. And you can convert it all the way down to 1 volt. You can vary the voltage. So I got this for doing the, hello, brains, work for me here, lighting for the coaches. And I got one other part in. Okay, really should have took this out of the package, but whoop, it's like a snake. There, oops, clunk. Yeah, I know, I really got to learn to do this better, but hey, it's one of those unique things I do, right? Because I buy stuff, but don't buy the stuff I need first. Just buy the pretty stuff. Okay. Anyway, I'm rambling here. Come on. Out of the package. So also, there's something wrong with my monitor. One of my big ones here. Actually, I don't know if it is the monitor. Well, actually, it's a TV screen, but I don't know if it's the TV or my video card. Something's acting up. I don't know if Actually, I wonder if I can turn it on and see what happens if it works this time. It flashes on and off. Alright, let's see. Will it do it this time? I know, we're sidetracking. See? Turns off and on. Alright, now it doesn't want to do it. We'll give it a second. But anyway, we'll go back to this little part. So here's the bridge rectifier I bought. Oh, I should get it on screen, shouldn't I? Duh. Anyway, this little bridge rectifier. And these little boards. Oh, jeepers. Things are small here. My hands are a little off from shoveling. Anyway, on the back of these boards is an in and an out. And on it, it tells you on the out part which is the negative and which is the positive. So the round part is the negative, the square part thing is the positive. So what you do is you take this little guy here and you solder it. Actually, this one's a little smaller than the original that was supposed to come with the article from Hobby Magazine. Where is it here? Yeah. See, that rectifier is a little larger, so they got one that would fit, I guess, right across here, so you could solder it on. There's the capacitor. It's kind of one of those surface mounts. And there's the little guy. Let's see here. If I could find, not really, I got one more picture, but anyway, here they were showing inside a caboose or whatever, or some kind of freight car. What they did is they took the two wires here that go into this little bridge rectifier right here. The two wires would go into there. Then these two here would solder onto the capacitor, which if they flipped it on this side, actually, they would put the capacitor like soldered on here and there. So it's all like little one piece. So that shows you this little piece here. And then they just made up a board with lights. But I didn't realize when I ordered these, I ordered the really tiny ones. But hopefully it won't be too bad when I get the capacitors. They're not supposed, they should be in shortly, another week or so. Hopefully there's like a little metal bar on each side. That's where you get the solder. Maybe they'll connect. I'm not too worried about it. If not, I'll buy more. I mean, I got 50 of these suckers. I think I paid $5 for it. So if I got to order more, hey, I'm not worried about it. I do got to order more capacitors and some more of these boards. I think I paid $6 for 5 boards. I just bought the 5 for now, just to test it out. But once all the parts are in, I'll get it made up and I'll show you guys exactly how it works. But I should, yeah, sign off with this because I'm just kind of rambling a bit until I get it done. Like I said, I'll be back to show you how these are made once I get the capacitors in. So anyway, guys, we'll talk to you later, and my monitor seems to be working great. Isn't that figures in YouTube land? Every day it's been messing up, and today I go to show it. But anyway, it's either my video card or the capacitors in the monitor are starting to go, which is a common thing. It used to be anyway. We'll see what happens. So anyway, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye.